Hey. You better get out here. Whichever one Watch your tiger. They want me to put him up in the car. Today dealing with you. Look over here. That's why. USDC. I think you did say you had to go to school. That's why you got sick.